A recent leak has shed light on the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7, set to launch later this year. The foldable flagship promises several noteworthy upgrades, but one key weakness remains: its battery. Leaked highlights of the Galaxy Z Fold7. Samsung enthusiasts can look forward to enhancements in the Galaxy Z Fold7's hinge design, aiming to reduce the crease that has been a point of contention in previous models. The foldable is also expected to see improvements in its under-display camera, screen quality, and dust/water resistance. Camera upgrade a mixed bag? Intriguingly, the Galaxy Z Fold7 may come with an upgraded main camera. However, this contradicts earlier reports suggesting the foldable will retain the 50MP main camera from its predecessors. While the Z Fold Special Edition and the Galaxy S25 Edge boast superior cameras, it would be disappointing if the Z Fold7 sticks to the older sensor used since the Z Fold 4. Battery concerns persist. Unfortunately, the battery life remains a sticking point. The Galaxy Z Fold7 is likely to feature a 4,400 mAh battery, mirroring last year's model. This is particularly disheartening when compared to competitors like the Xiaomi Mix Flip 2 and Oppo Find N5, which are rumored to have battery capacities exceeding 5,000 mAh. Final thoughts. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7, along with the Z Flip 7 and potentially the Z Flip 7 FE, is poised to be one of the few foldable options in the US market following the cancellation of the OnePlus Open 2. Despite the anticipated improvements, the foldable's battery life remains a concern for many potential buyers.